Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome so you can browse without interruptions. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to the top right corner of the window. Click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. From here, scroll down and choose Site Settings. Under the Content section, look for pop-ups and redirects and click on it. At the top, you will see two options, one to allow sites to send pop-ups and redirects, and one to block them. Choose Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects to block them completely. If you want more control, you can also set custom behaviors for specific websites below. And that's it. Now you know how to block pop-ups in Google Chrome easily.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.